We're going to make Indian style chicken tikka, but we're going to cook the chicken pieces on the barbecue. This is one of my favorite marinated chicken recipes. You'll need chicken thigh fillets. If you're getting them from a butcher, ask to have them put through a tenderizing machine. Indian or Greek style yogurt, minced or crushed garlic, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, salt, vegetable oil, dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, tandoori powdered food coloring. You have to get the kasuri methi and tandoori coloring from an Indian grocery store. Place 250 grams of yogurt in a large mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Take a handful of dried fenugreek leaves over the bowl, roll them between the palms of your hands to grind them into a powder. You can toss in any stalks that remained in your hand. Mix everything together really well. Add 1 teaspoon of tandoori coloring and mix well. Keep adding a teaspoon at a time and mixing until the yogurt is a bright orange color. It should take around 3 or 4 teaspoons. Gently coat 1.25 kilograms of chicken thigh fillets in the mixture, one at a time. As you coat each piece, place it into a large Ziploc bag. Be careful, this mixture will stain your hands and clothes. Pour any remaining marinade in the bag. Seal the bag, wipe it down and put it into the fridge overnight. Remove the bag from the fridge about an hour before you're going to start cooking. When you're ready to cook the chicken, heat up your barbecue. Place your chicken fillets on the hot plate and cook for about 5 minutes. Chop each fillet in half, turn it over and cook for another 5 minutes. It's okay if they get a little charred. Serve the chicken tikka with Indian style dipping sauces and salad. You can add them to butter chicken or tikka masala sauce to make a delicious curry. I might even make another video to share my top secret butter chicken sauce.